Okay, good day again, Biomeds. I have here a water bath, Biobase. Uh, this is used from the clinical laboratory, histopath. And the problem with this one is the timer is okay or display is okay, but the heater here has malfunction. So I did already pull out the cover at the bottom, and as you can see here, I will go directly to the culprit. Okay, as you can see here, we have the display board, switch on, switch. This is just a basic electronics. So I already did test all of the components here, especially these two transistors and these capacitors. And by the way, this is a step down transformer to 20 to 12 volts. And check all the components here, and one thing I noticed is this one. This is a diode, and as you can see here, I already pulled it out, the one leg, and test. And the problem this one is it is shorted, so I'm going to replace this one. Actually, this is parallel to the relay coil. Since this is shorted, so there is no 12 volts in these two legs here from the relay coil. So what I'm going to do is to replace this one, these two here, these two legs here, I mean the diode, and we'll test it again. Thank you. Okay, I already replaced the diode. Actually here I installed it at the back. Okay, by the way, they used for this one is the reverse protection of the relay. This is a N40007 diode, and as you can see here, I already replaced this one. This is the old and busted. So I'm going to return it back, and we'll try to test the water bath. Okay, as you can see here, the temperature is rising, and I think there's a bubble in the heating element. So it's now repaired, so we're going to put it back to the clinical laboratory. Check. Okay, that's all. Thank you.